Today I'm going to demonstrate a hip hinge with half rollers with your toes on top. Now this is a great active stretch to really stretch out the calves, hamstrings, glutes, and also the lower back. So if you have really tight glutes, really tight hamstrings, or a little bit of lower back pain, then I highly recommend trying to do this exercise and incorporate it within your workout program. Now the first thing you'll need is some half rollers like this. Now if you don't have any half rollers, you can always use weighted plates like this. Either or is totally up to you. And the next thing you need is a bar or a pole like this. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and place the half rollers onto the ground at least hip distance apart. What you want to do is go ahead and place your toes on top of the half rollers just like this. Now the next thing I want to do is go ahead and take the pole and have it real close to my body. Alright? Now with my handling, I want to put my hands on top of the pole, okay? And now what I'm going to do is have a slight bend in my knees, really push the chest up, roll the shoulders back, and then I'm going to push out. Alright? I'm going to go down, push out my butt, keep the chest up, keeping it strong back. And then you're really going to feel the stretch coming from your hamstrings, your calves, your glutes, the lower back, and also, which I forgot to mention, your lats as well. You want to hold this about like 2 or 3 seconds. If you want to really feel a longer stretch, you can hold it up to 10 seconds. It's totally up to you, all right? Because this is a stretch. It's a very corrective exercise. Now when you come up, go ahead and squeeze the glutes and then go ahead and go back down just like this once again. And like I said, it's an active rest, an active exercise, so you can really take your time with this exercise because mostly you want to benefit the stretch. This is how you do a hip hinge with half rollers with your toes on top.